What happens if there is a mistrial? Have you ever wondered what really happens when a trial gets interrupted and declared invalid? This situation is known as a mistrial, and it can occur for several reasons. Understanding this concept is essential, especially when considering the right to a fair trial, a core principle in libertarian philosophy. A mistrial happens when a trial is stopped before a verdict is reached. This can occur due to procedural errors or if the jury cannot agree on a decision. From a libertarian viewpoint, a mistrial is important because it helps ensure that trials are fair and just. So, what causes a mistrial? One common reason is procedural errors. If there are significant mistakes during the trial, such as incorrect jury instructions or the introduction of evidence that should not have been allowed, a mistrial may be declared. This protects the fairness of the trial process. Another reason for a mistrial is a hung jury. This occurs when jurors cannot reach a unanimous decision. In this case, declaring a mistrial prevents a verdict from being forced upon the defendant without clear agreement among the jurors. Now, what happens after a mistrial? One possibility is that the case may be retried. However, the Double Jeopardy Clause comes into play here. This clause protects individuals from being tried again for the same crime after a conviction or acquittal. If a mistrial is declared improperly, it could lead to complications regarding double jeopardy. From a libertarian perspective, the process of declaring a mistrial acts as a safeguard against government overreach. It ensures that defendants are treated fairly and that their rights are respected. Libertarians believe that the government should not interfere with individual rights unless there is a clear violation of another person's rights. In summary, a mistrial serves as a protective measure within the legal system. It aligns with the broader libertarian principle of ensuring that trials are fair and that individual rights are upheld. Understanding the implications of a mistrial helps us appreciate the importance of the right to a fair trial in a just society.